Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create an art gallery website using Shopify. First, be sure to check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So without further ado, let's get going. First, we're going to go to our product section and we're going to start uploading our products. For starters, I'm going to put, for example, this cream by Munch. And next, for my description, I'm just going to copy my title, and here I'm going to click on generate text, and I'm going to paste the prompt right over here, and I'm going to click generate so that Shopify uses its built-in AI to give us a description. Here I can either choose to make the AI generate another description or just keep the one I already have. I'm just going to keep it, and here for media we're going to click on upload new, and we're going to select an image for our product. Here, as you can see, below our image we have the category section. Here Shopify is going to choose a category for us. You can see that right now it has changed, and usually it's going to get it correctly, but if we want we can click over here and we can change it manually. Here for the pricing section we're going to charge, for example, let's say $30,000 for it, and the cost per item is going to be about $15,000. Now for inventory, we're just going to uncheck this because we're not going to keep track of inventory. And here on the right, we have a product type section, a vendor, a collections, and a tags section. For the collections, make sure you add your product to your homepage collection so that it can be displayed over there later. And here for tags, we can, for example, put art and whatever we would like right over here. Finally, in case we're going to do any kind of shipping, we can also assign a weight to our product. So once we are done, we're going to click over here on save, and as you can see, our product is going to be saved. Here, if I go back, I would have my first product uploaded. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to click on add product again, and I'm going to keep uploading all of the products of my online store. So I'll be back with you guys once I'm done. As you can see here, I have finished uploading all of my products. So once we are done, we are going to go to our online store section, and here we're going to start to customize it. First, we're going to be able to change the theme. If we go down, you can see that we have a couple of free themes, and if we want to buy some, we can go over here to visit theme store, and this is going to redirect us to the Shopify theme store, where we are going to find a lot of different themes, some of which may better suit our website. For me, I'm just going to keep with the default one, so we're going to go back here and we're going to click on customize. This is going to redirect us to our website customization, and here we're going to be able to customize all of the sections of our website. All these sections are going to be outlined by this blue line once we click on them, and here on the top left the name of the section is going to appear. On our right, we're going to have a lot of different options to customize it. For example, this is our image banner, so we're going to select an image right over here to be displayed as our banner. For example, I'm going to choose this one, and once it's done uploading, I'm going to click over here on done, and the background of my banner is going to change. Next, I'm going to go to our heading, and I'm going to change the text over here. For example, I'm going to put welcome to my art gallery website. There you go. Now let's say that we want to add a new section to our website. We're going to go over here on template, and we're going to click on add section. Here we're going to have a lot of different options: featured collection, featured product, collection list, but for me I'm just going to stick with our featured product. As you can see, a new section has appeared right at the bottom, and I'm going to be able to select a product right over here for our new section. For example, I'm going to put the Gioconda, and as you can see, it's now being displayed right over here. Now let's say that I want to change things up a bit. For example, I'm going to change here the color scheme to be a dark one, and as you can see, this section is going to change its theme, sorry, for a darker one. Now let's say that we have added a new section, for example, a featured collection, but we want to eliminate this section. What we're going to do is make sure we have this section selected, and we're going to click over here on the bottom right on remove section. That way the section is going to be removed. And we can also, if we want, add a section to our footer. Here we're going to have an email sign up and a custom liquid, and the same goes for our header. We're going to be able to add a custom liquid and an announcement bar. Now, another very important thing about our header is going to be this thing right here. This is going to display our store's name. So how do we change it? We're going to save our changes up until now, and we're going to exit the store. Once here, we're going to go to the home page of Shopify, and we're going to click on Name Your Store. Here, we're going to click on Name Store, and we're going to be able to change the name of our store. For example, I'm going to put Art Gallery. I'm going to save the changes, and in order to make sure that everything is correct, we're going to go back to our online store section, but now we're going to click on the three dots and we're going to click on preview. This is going to redirect us to our website, and as you can see right over here on our header, the name of our store has now changed. We can go down to make sure that everything else is set up just the way we want, and once we are done checking our website, we're going to go back over here and we are going to go over the analytics and marketing section. Now this is going to be a really important section for us. Here we're going to be able to see our total sales, our sales by channel, our total orders, the average order value, and a lot of different things which are going to be really helpful, such as which products are going to be the most popular amongst our customers, and a lot of different information which is gonna really help us to manage and customize our website and our business all from the same place. Now lastly, I wanted to show you the discount section. Here we are going to be able to create customizable discounts. For example, I'm going to choose an amount of products. First, we're going to be able to choose the code for our discount, so we can either write one ourselves, for example art 101, or we can just click here and Shopify is going to create a random code for us. Here we can choose which kind of discount it's going to be. For example, here we can choose next a percentage or a fixed amount discount. I'm going to choose a percentage, and it's going to be around a 10% discount. Here we are going to be able to choose which collections our discount is going to apply to. So we're going to click on browse and we're going to choose our homepage collection. This way all the products on our homepage will now be eligible for this discount. If we keep going down, you can see that we can further customize our discount. We can choose if we need any minimum purchase requirements for it, the customer eligibility, the maximum amount of uses it has, the combinations, and here at the end we can also set an expiration date for our discount. We're going to click on set end date, and here we can choose when our discount is going to expire. So once we are done customizing it, we're going to choose to click and save discount, and we would have our first discount ready to either post on social media, maybe a gift to a friend, or just use however we would like. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to check the link in the description for a 30 days free trial of Shopify, and also that $1 for 1 month one-time deal. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time.